Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Honda CRV. First, gather all your essential tools, including a 12mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically 4 to 5 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. It's best to work with a slightly warm engine, not hot, to ensure the old oil drains easily. Always park your CRV on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Now let's get that old oil out. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually a 12mm bolt, underneath your Honda CRV. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, gently loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow. Let it drain completely, which typically takes about 10 minutes. This ensures you remove as much old, dirty oil as possible before adding the fresh supply. With the old oil draining, it's time for the filter. Find the old oil filter, often located near the front of the engine block. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Once the old oil is fully drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Now, it's time for the fresh oil. Locate your engine's oil fill cap and carefully pour in the recommended amount, usually around 4 to 5 quarts. Start your CRV's engine and let it run for a minute, then check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Finally, verify the oil level with the dipstick and add more if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.